Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So all of you, uh, our uh, topic of the project is QDEX AI, the Agentic HR Operations Assistant. Okay, so the purpose of our project is bridging the gap between the static company policies and dynamic employee actions. One board to read the handbook, answer the queries, and executes the task immediately. So, this is the purpose of our project. Okay. Then we will discuss about the HR operations challenges. Means what are the challenges that can be faced by the HR. Okay. So हमने दो का जिक्र किया है. The most important are two: information retrieval and transactional data entry. HR departments are constantly swamped with repetitive tasks that fall into two main categories. Okay, hindering the efficiency and employing the satisfaction. Then, what is information retrieval and transactional data entry? Okay, information retrieval is, does the insurance cover the dental, and transactional data entry is creating the bottlenecks and the errors. So existing AI chatbots often only address the first challenge, providing the information but leading to execute the actions. Okay. Then we discuss about the introduction to our projects QDEX AI, the agentic RAG system. Okay, so what is QDEX AI? QDEX AI and why QDEX AI is designed? QDEX AI is designed to unify the knowledge management with action execution, solving both information retrieval and transactional challenges through the intelligent automation, the librarian RAG, okay, the intelligent intent router, and the agent tools. Okay, then we have intelligent intent routing, the brain behind the bot. Use unlike simple question and answer bots, QDEX AI leverage the LLMA 3.8 via the sophisticated decision maker to interpret the user intent accurately. So question versus command. What is the difference between question versus command? So the bot analyzes prompts to distinguish between the informational queries and actionable commands. Okay. Then we have dynamic response. Okay. This route ensures the users receive either precise policy information or immediate task execution, making the interaction highly efficient and relevant. Then we have full duplex database integration, read and write operations. Okay, write action, and then we have read action. The write action is the instant leaving booking, and read action is the real time leave balance. Okay, then we have high speed RAG engine, precision and performance. So for this we have to discuss about the Grox LPU, hybrid search, and cross encoder re-ranking. Okay, this image describes what I can say. Then we have the technical foundation, our robust tag, LLM. LLM means, in simple, LLM means you can say the generative AI example. LLM is the example of generative AI. Okay. Then we have framework जो हमने यूज़ किया वो LongChain and Python for flexible and powerful AI development. Vector space, Facebook AI similarity search and Hugging Face embeddings for efficient semantic search. Database Google Sheet API. UI UX में क्या है, रेडियो फॉर अ क्लीन एसेसिबल चैट इंटरफेस. एंड डिप्लॉयमेंट में हमने क्या किया है, हगिंग फेस ऑप्शंस फॉर रिलायबल स्केलेबल होस्टिंग. ओके, देन लाइव डेमो क्यूडेक्स एआई इन एक्शन. ठीक है, हमारा लाइव डेमो चल रहा है हैकाथॉन में. विटनेस क्यूडेक्स एआई सीमलेसली ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द एचआर ऑपरेशन फ्रॉम पॉलिसी लुकअप टू रियल टाइम एक्शन. फर्स्ट क्या है, अपलोड एंड डाइजेस्ट. द सेकेंड वन इज policy query. The third one is action command. The fourth one is real time verification. The fifth one is insight retrieval. Okay, and then we will discuss about the future scalability, expanding the QDux AI's reach, voice integration, platform integration, and calendar integration and automation. Okay, this is the future scalability of our project, expanding the QDux AI reach. Okay, and then we will discuss why QDux AI stands out. QDux AI is more than just a chatbot. It's a comprehensive workflow automation tool that addresses the last mile problem in HR. We did not just build a wrapper around ChatGPT, we built an integrated workflow automation tool that solves the last mile problem of HR, taking the user from information directly to action in a single conversation window. So this is our whole project presentation. Okay, thanks.